I'm here today at the Beacon and I'm on a mission. I want this series of Cooking with Kensington Scott to be the best ever. My goal is to get people to fall in love with cooking again. So I want involved in the series one of the best chefs in Kent. So who better to get than the Beacon's very own Scott Goss. Let's go meet him.
All right then, mate, so here we are again. Yeah, we're going to put this together. What are we actually doing? What do we want to achieve out of this? Why am I sat here? Why am I putting myself through this again? Apart from the beautiful kitchens, of course.
For me, it's about with your help proving to everyone that food is for everyone.
Yeah, sure.
A lot of people love food. There's not many people in some capacity don't love food, whether that's takeaway, whether that's at home or that's to a restaurant, but
yeah,
food is for everyone, and that means where you can create it. That doesn't mean just stop on someone's birthday or Valentine's. It's Monday to Friday, and bringing out all the other emotions that we spoke about today or off camera, the when you smell fish and chips, that emotion, when the pie and mash, you don't want to go somewhere fancy. It's the emotion that comes with the food. Food is for everyone, and that's what I'd love to get out of this. Keep with your help.
Memory of Grandma's kitchen alive,
yeah, exactly that.
Yeah, I think we can really achieve something out of this. And I said at the beginning, 10,000 people watch this, and 2 families cook a meal, every single one, for the week, and they're like, yeah, that was cushy, Scotty, and we used all the trimmings. Well, then my job's done. I'm happy.
Yeah.
I'm happy. I've achieved what I wanted to achieve.
I think you've got some dishes that you've been thinking about. What are you going to be doing over the next 6 episodes?
Well, so I've broken it down into what I think potentially could be some of the public's favourites. So we're going to go with steak and chips.
Amazing.
Fantastic steak and chips. Loads of veggies in there as well. I'm going to show you cooking times, resting times, what I personally feel is the best cut of meat to go and buy off your butcher. We're going to go fish pie, you know what I mean? Again, a staple in my household. Everybody loves it, and again, like I said, it's one for me. It's the moment that it just comes out of the oven, goes in the middle of the table, big serving spoon, and crack on. I love it. And then again, thinking family Sunday roast, for me, it's got to be the roast chicken. So all bland and boring. I'm going to show you how it ain't bland and boring, and it's beautiful and delicious. And I'm also going to show you that it's an ingredient that keeps on giving. It's not just the roast chicken on Sunday, for example, or a Tuesday roast, or whatever. I'm going to show you what to do with all of the leftovers, and break the stigma of leftovers being a bit, I'm going to show you how incredible.
So you have the Sunday roast, because chefs go, you can put that in and you can use the carcass later in the week. They never show you what they do. Are we going into that?
100%, mate. Yeah, I'm going to go through it step by step. Really just going to pass out as much knowledge that I've learned up here over 23 years. I'm going to give it all out. I'm opening up the recipe book. I'm going to give you everything.
Amazing.
We've obviously got a huge date in the diary for the Queen's Jubilee, which we're all super excited about. I'm going to show you how to cook some celebrational food, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Kind of like, I call it British tapas. Do you know what I mean? Some really cool, fun party food that you're going to share with your neighbours. You're going to have some fun, some laughter, and create some wicked memories. And then lastly, I'm leaving it open. I want to know what everybody else wants to know. I want to know what they want to cook. We'll open it up on websites, Kensington Scott website, where people can just vote in, and whatever the top
the
one
challenge is, or the meal,
whatever it is, we're going to go out. We're going to go and get them ingredients, and I'll cook that up back in the studio. And I think, mate, that should be us.